welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to be installing a set of LED pod lights onto my 80 series LandCruiser with the help of LASFIT. So LASFIT hooked me up with a bunch of different pod lights to try out. These are their new 3-inch pod lights, floodlights, 3-inch LED pods. So this is a set, 2 in here. Those are fogs, 3-inch driving light pods. So yeah, LASFIT hooked me up. Awesome company. They're based out here in Ontario, California. I did talk to the guys over at LASFIT, and everything is designed here in California. Products manufactured in China. Take a look at the product itself and you tell me what you think. It's very, very stout. I'll tell you that. This thing is heavy. Looks like it's good construction, very durable. Onto there. Stay tuned. Okay, so I plan on putting somewhere here what are you doing? So these are the fogs. Hi, sweetheart. The screws, thank you. I think I needed these, thank you. Damn, the packaging is tight. Look what she's doing. Okay, got it out. So that's it. Put it on your head. Those are the spots. So yeah, the bulb's different. So anyways, the plan is to mount these right here. I think I gotta angle it this way more. Now what I gotta do next is plot out so I'm just setting up this next one. It's just, to be honest with you, I'm really impressed with the packaging and the actual materials. I can get this to line up. It's one thing you gotta appreciate. Like, this is well built. Seriously. What you guys think? I don't know if it's just me, but I always end up with more washers. What should we do? Should we do the floodlights? Let's open the floods. Or the floods are yellow too, and look at that. I forgot to show you guys this. They actually also sent me out filters, lens filters. I think that's a good location right there. All right, so it's been a couple days now, and I'm pretty happy with the location that we have set out here for the lights. We have next, I have here the Auxbeam 6-gang switch panel mounted up to the brand new SolveFunction RAM mount. We leave from SolveFunction, just attach this printed piece on here. Lets you obviously mount to a RAM ball, take it off of the suction cup part, and then just mount it onto the dash somewhere. Finding out where I'm actually going to put the switch panel. I've never hooked up one of these before, but apparently they're pretty easy. I'm thinking of using this spot right up against here. The fog lights plugged in. For the other one, it's coming up around in here. And I'm probably just gonna run it along the support here up top. Come around like that, and then I'm gonna combine these two together. ACC power. I'm gonna extend it, run it along the firewall, and then plug into the cabin. Let's work on the ACC plug now. That way we can find out if we even have power to the lights using this setup. I extend this cable to this wire. So I'll be back. I'm on to the part where I need to get the main harness, or I guess the controller harness, into the cabin. And I found a little rubber plug right here that I was able to get out. It's a little tight. Make an incision, or I think if you just keep pushing it and forcing it in, it'll go in. If experience has taught me anything, you keep pushing it in, it'll go in. Got it. I had to spread it a little bit. Excuse the mess in here, but okay, accessory wire from the engine bay came in through there. Here's the main harness, or the controller harness. So I want to get the accessory wire up into this panel. So I just fished this one through the top. It's gonna tape them together real quick and then just yank it through. Use the 15 amps cigarette, or the what's this 10 amp AC? Accessory or AC as an air conditioner? I think that's gonna be a tight. I don't even know if the door closes on it now. Oh, it'll close. I had to ground the lights, the actual lights. That's what I forgot to do. Boom, should be it. And bam, sick. The LASFIT fog lights coming in clutch. Yes. Heyo. I might as well do the floods. And man, it got hot out of nowhere. I'm gonna get a tan. All right, so boom, strong, sturdy connection into the female connector. Got two of them to go into the floodlights that are going to be mounted in the front, and then two of them coming down, and then this is just going to go into the switch panel. All right, so I got it all buttoned up. I still get super scared of working with electrical. As much as I've been like practicing, we'll run this wire through up here. It's not as clean. I should have tucked it in the way I did with the other one. But super solid on the SolveFunction RAM adapter, RAM mount, you can say, for the Auxbeam 6-gang switch panel. I got the cable tucked up in there. So I think this was a good location. Freaking like captain of the Enterprise here now. It's a 91. So this thing is old. But now like I've taken a step into the future. Guys, so I took it to a trail real quick just to see how the lights perform off-road. Gonna wait till it gets a little bit darker, but we're just out here getting some shots, and man, they look good. No complaints. But I guess we do have to wait and see what the longevity of these lights are going to be. Like I said earlier in the video, the materials look great. The build quality looks really great. I mean, I think the quality control looks like they're on top of things. As for the Auxbeam switch panel with the SolveFunction mount, no complaints there. Man, let's take a look at that. I'm doing a short crawl through this little trail here in the back road. there's still a lot of light out right now. I think this will tell you how well these lights are. I mean, the spread is nice. Ignore the key bouncing around. The spread is nice. The throw is pretty decent for these fogs. I would hope to see a little more distance in the throw for a set of floods. But as for the fogs, the intensity could be a little bit better, but the throw is nice. So that's it for the video, guys. I absolutely love how the lights came out. And if any of you are interested in getting a set for yourselves, there'll be a link down below in the description. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.